My name is Professor Oduor. I'm Deputy Vice Chancellor in charge of Planning, Research and Development, University of Kabianga. This workshop has been very, very useful to me. And one of the most interesting topics from this workshop, which I'm taking home, is the issue of entrepreneurial education as a means to commercialization. This is very important because the mindset has to change. Right from the way we administer our curricula, we have to capture the issues of creativity, design thinking, so that we can make education relevant in the 21st century. There have been some areas of concern, especially with our policies. The issue of inclusion is something that is very, very dear to me. So as we review our policies, we shall try and ensure that we become all inclusive. We take care of both gender, the male gender, the female gender. They must all be taken care of, so that we, in this space of innovations, we take care of all the interests. I've learned a lot from my colleagues, from my peers. Of course, there's a success story of Innovation Hub from the Dedan Kimathi University of Technology. It's something that I would really want to follow with the DECUT, so that we can also establish an Innovation Hub in the University of Kabianga. For PC, University of Embu is doing very well. They've been scoring excellent. So I've realized that they take the issue of innovation and commercialization seriously as they set their PC targets, something that I would also want to follow up with the University of Embu. So quite a number of learning points from my colleagues, and I'm very happy that we have networked very well, and going forward, I think we shall be one family so that we drive the agenda of innovation in the country.